Now, let us learn how to read resistance value in a resistor. The value of resistance in a resistor is determined by understanding a process called color coding. A resistor is coated with 4 color bands, where each color determines a particular value. The table here shows the list of values, which each color indicates. While reading a resistor, always start from the end where 3 color bands are evenly spaced, followed by a larger gap before the last band. The first 2 bands denotes the digits of the value. Here, the first color is red, and second band is orange, which implies that it reads 23. The third band denotes the multiplier. That is, the number corresponding to the multiplier table has to be multiplied with the digit's value. Here, the third band is black, which has a multiplier of 10 to the power of 0, that is 1. So, the resistance value becomes 23 times 1. The fourth band represents the tolerance value. Note: tolerance is the range of value up to which a resistor can withstand without getting destroyed. Here, the band is gold in color, so according to the table, it has a tolerance of 5%. So, the resistance of this resistor can be read as 23 ohms with a tolerance range of 5%. Note: 5 color band resistors are manufactured with tolerance of 2% and 1%, and also for other high accuracy resistors. In these 5 band resistors, the first 3 bands represent digits, fourth one indicates multiplier, and the fifth represents tolerance. Let us look at an example and find the maximum and minimum resistance. From the table, we know the value of yellow is 4, blue is 6, brown is 1, which together forms the digits. The fourth band orange represents multiplier and its value is 10 to the power of 3. Red is the tolerance value, which is plus minus 2%. Hence, the value of the resistor is 461 times 10 to the power of 3 equals 461,000 ohms, or 461 kilo ohms, with tolerance of 2%. So, the maximum resistance value for this resistor is the sum of the value and the product of tolerance and the resistance value. The minimum resistance value for this resistor is the value of resistance minus the product of tolerance and the resistance value. To know more, sign up to www.lynxe.in.